Brenda Hickman Kostohryz began working for the Hickman family real estate business in 1983. A Fort Worth native and a graduate of TCU, Brenda has carried on the tradition that her parents, Holt and Joe Hickman, championed by investing in the development and growth of our city. Brenda has worked hand in hand with her parents, brother Brad, and partners in the Stockyards Heritage Project, spearheading the restoration and renovation of the Fort Worth Stockyards. Brenda has volunteered her time and knowledge serving on various boards, including the Fort Worth Mayor's Promotional and Development Board, the Stockyards Business Association, the Fort Worth Herd, Visit Fort Worth, and the Camp Bowie District Board. She enjoys giving back to the community through her involvement with social organizations, Canwick, Junior League, Calypso, Jewel Charity, and many others. As acting president of the Texas Cowboy Hall of Fame, Brenda has helped guide the purchase of the historic building in the Stockyards that is the new home to the Texas Cowboy Hall of Fame and accommodates other tenants. She has been involved daily in the planning, renovation, promotion, and remodeling of the museum. Brenda's work ethic, commitment, and drive are key factors to the success of the Texas Cowboy Hall of Fame. Her husband George, sons Trey, Holt, and Kelly, along with daughter Keely, are also supporters of the Texas Cowboy Hall of Fame and many other philanthropic commitments. We are proud to recognize Brenda Hickman Kostohryz as a Legacy Award recipient.